The given line graph gives us information about number of neutrons. The data is given in the form of numbers which included 6, 14, 28, 50, 82, 126. There are different elements in this picture which included fission, proton, neutron, stable nuclide, unknown and number of proton. Furthermore, one of the portion is maximum and other one is minimum. Moreover, there are various color in this picture which included black, white, blue and yellow. Overall, the image gives us information about number of neutrons.
The given image is exhibiting an important information about number of neutrons and neutron decay. The image includes number of neutrons from 6 to 126, whereas number of neutrons and number of protons from 6 to 82. Firstly, the number of neutrons in 126 is similar to number of protons in 82. Furthermore, the number of 80 neutrons 82 is similar as the beta of the number of protons. The highest number is 126, whereas the lowest number is 6. Towards the end, the image gives an important information about the neutron decay.
The image provided is a line chart that gives information about the neurons. It is evident that the x-axis talk about the number of the protons and the y-axis talk about the number of neutrons. It is evident that beta plus and beta sigma is about the 6 and the 14s. Conversely, filsuf and proton, it shows that in 82 and the 82 of the number of the neutrons. Another interesting thing is the unknown and stable nuclear. It shows in the 82 and the 126. Overall, this image illustrates the number of neutrons and number of protons.
This line chart provides information about the number of neutrons. In this graph, we may notice that it is about different kind of type of decay. For the beta plus, which is in red, beta minus is in blue, alpha in yellow, fission in green, and proton in pink. In this graph, we may notice that the trend is increasing, and for the beta 2, we have 82 and 82 for the X and Z.
The picture gives important information about type of decay. From the picture, I can see many colors and numbers. In addition to this information, I can see the information about number of neutrons and number of protons. From the image, the highest number is in alpha, which is 126. However, the lowest number is in unknown, which is 6, and we can see a small increase in the first period and then a decrease in the second period. In conclusion, the picture is very informative.
This line chart gives information about number of neutrons. There are many elements in this line chart. This NX represents number of neutrons and YZX presents a number of protons. From this line chart, I can say that the highest value is a 126, which is indicated by fission and proton. Now the second highest value is a 82%, which is indicated by stable nuclide and unknown. If we talk about the lowest value, that is a 6, which is indicated by proton and red color. From this line chart, I can see different color orange, blue, and yellow. In conclusion, this line chart tells about number of protons.
The following graph gives information about the types of decay in neutrons and protons. Where it comes to the yellow ones, it increased from 6 to 82 protons, with the neutrons ranging from 62 to 162. Overall, the range is also the same, but the number is slightly larger. Overall, we can see there are fusions represented by green, protons represented by red, neutrons represented by purple, and stable represented by black. Sum up, the chart shows different kinds of decay and relationship between neutrons and protons. The picture give information about numbers of neurons. It is very informative picture. From the picture, I can see 126, 82, and 50. One of the element is maximum, another one is minimum. Furthermore, in the picture, I can observe different color that are black and white and blue in color. From the picture, it seems type of the dacet and the number of proton in the picture. In the picture, I can observe. In conclusion, the image was very informative and knowledgeable.